These animals are true workhorses of the animal kingdom. Ants can carry up to 50 times their body weight and work tirelessly to maintain their colonies. Honeybees pollinate thousands of plants daily, communicate perfectly, and never stop working. Horses are strong, enduring, and can work long hours without tiring. Camels traverse deserts, carry heavy loads, and need minimal food or water. Elephants are intelligent, strong, and cooperative, performing tasks no other animal can. Which hardworking animal surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more amazing facts.